Hello, this is George, the developer of this app, and I want to show you the features in this app. I want to first, when you log in to the app, when you open the app, you will see this screen where you can pick up games. There are a lot of games from all around the world, and I want to select some of the games. For example, Australia. I can pick the numbers for the next game, Powerball, and when I select this, I can see the official numbers here. Look, the next jackpot is 120 million in Australia. If I go to the homepage after we select the games, you can go here on the homepage and you can select the game. This Powerball Australia or some games from United States, from Europe. I have here the Powerball from United States, and I can pick numbers. First one is to refresh the numbers generated here. It will generate the numbers based on statistics selected here. If you tap on the star, it will copy the numbers to the clipboard and it will be favorite numbers. You can play the numbers if you like. For example, I play these numbers on the 15th, okay, and I played 10 times. Save it, and the games, the numbers will be saved in the played numbers. You cannot play in the app. Google doesn't allow gambling, buying tickets for lottery in the app. For example, this set of numbers, I want to check to see if in the past those numbers were winning numbers for the jackpot. I can go here and see all the results. I want to pick only the results that have 3 or more numbers matching. And looks there are few. Last time was a few days ago, 3 times. You can select also other set of numbers, 5 or more, but probably is nothing. You can go back here and generate numbers. You can pick the numbers from a list. You tap on the numbers and the numbers will show here. You can also pick the numbers manually. If it's, for example, you can make it random selecting, and you can pick the numbers in a random order or in order. You can save it and it will be here on the home page. You can also edit the set of numbers. You click here, I want 131, I want 32 actually. Let's save it and it'll be here on the generated numbers list. Also, you can use the magic wand to generate numbers. It will adjust the statistics for you, and the numbers, the same, can be checked against the previous set of numbers. For example, 3 or more, and looks like we have few times 3 numbers. You can adjust the statistics. I want to talk about the statistics page. If you click on this icon here, it will take you to the statistics page. You can adjust the statistics visually. You see here the blue line, when you tap on the graphic, it will show you the current value on different levels, different dates, and with red is the last 7 average of the last 7 draws, and the green one is the last 30 draws. And you can adjust the statistics. The average is the sum of ball divided by number of balls in a draw, and you can adjust it in 2 ways. One is a percentage, or you can adjust it each value individual, and it'll adjust the bottom one where is the percentage. You can change the number of results taking consideration. For example, let's say 1,000, and the statistics will change a little bit. You can do the same for the min and for the max. You can also see the numbers, like hot and cold numbers. You can click on this. The lowest is 65 and the largest is 23, is the most times drawn in the official one. You can go back, and all the the changes you did there are saved on the home page. Next page is the history of numbers. You can see I generated few, and for example, if you tap on the star, it will make the numbers favorite for you. If you tap on the card, you say I want to play this set of numbers For example, I played 2 days ago, I say okay, and I played it 12 times, save it, and it'll be saved here. For example, in the past, I played this set of numbers, and it looks like I got the Powerball number. On the statistics page is the same page I showed you earlier from the home page. You can make the settings here, the changes here, and it'll be saved if you want to update the settings. If this is unchecked, it will not be saved. It'll be just something you played here. You see the official numbers here. You can go to different countries. Canada, there are a lot of games. In Europe, there are a lot of games. Germany, France, Ireland, we have UK, Turkey, all around the world. If it's something that is not there, let me know and I will add it. For example, in South Africa, there are some jackpots here also. Australia has now some big jackpots. For example, this game, you can see. For example, here, the tickets played. You see here when played. For example, on February 3rd, I played these numbers, and you see each time how many balls match the result. This is a new feature I added to this version of the app. It is to test a set of numbers. I always wonder if you can generate like 100, 1,000 set of numbers and you see if you want something. You can check with statistics. If you click here, you add a new game. For example, I want to generate up to like 10,000. Let's say 5,000. This will take some time, sometimes a few seconds, to generate 5,000 set of numbers. And then when this is done, you can save it, and you save it here. And you see, I saved 3,600 set of numbers. You can check to see, for example, I have 2 plus 1 numbers many times. You have a report here. If you click on this icon, you can switch between the report and the number of games. You can sort each table by column, how many times, 3 numbers, 2 numbers, 2 plus 1. You can check against the past numbers to see if you have a better result in the past. Next one is where you select the games. I want to also select the Oz from Australia. Select this one, and it'll be available on the generate numbers page to generate numbers for this game, and also for the test number page and statistics. You need to select a game to be able to play and use it to generate numbers. In app settings page, you can join the Facebook page group I have for this app. You can select any other apps I have. You can delete the test here. You can change the language, and there are some other options here on top to see the app on the full screen, and to any other features here. You can also select favorite or excluded numbers. You can pick here another like 6, but for example, I don't want a 5. You can tap on 5, show on top, and I remove it. The same for the excluded balls. I want to add a 5 here. I don't like 5. And you can buy features in the app. I thank everybody for helping me support this app, and help me maintain the app and add new features, also update the results for the lotteries. We have the help page where I'm explaining how is this working. If you tap on the video, it will show you this video. Thank you everybody so much for watching this video. Let me know if you win. Good luck.